please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell. That way, anytime I upload a new video, you will get the notifications. So just click here to subscribe and then hit that bell and click all. That way, anytime I upload, you will get the notification. Go ahead, do it right now. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kimira Jules here with another video. My nails. So I do have some nail videos. Feel free to check them out in my nail playlist. So we've got this OPI Infinite Shine nail polish, and this one is in the color Shh, it's Top Secret. First, before I start painting, I will use the base coat. This is the Infinite Shine Primer Base Coat, and then I will finish it off with this top coat. So as you can see, very beautiful color. It goes on a little bit streaky, so I will go ahead and do a second coat. After the first coat, I went ahead and did a second coat as well as the top coat off camera just to save time. Now, if you get nail polish on the skin around your fingers, I'm going to show you an easy way to get rid of that. Take a makeup brush. Now, I don't use this brush for makeup. This is dedicated for the nail polish remover. So I just put a little bit of remover into the cap. Okay, so there's a little bit of polish remover in the cap. And then I just take the brush, I dip it in, and then I'll just wipe the excess on a paper towel, dip again, and it's all gone. And then you can see I made a little bit of a mess there. So just take the remover and just a little bit. And that cleans it up perfectly. And voila. And there are the fall nails to go with the look. Let me know what you think. So it looks black on screen, but I just showed you guys the color. So it's more of like a brownish burgundy. Don't know if you guys can see that, but leave a comment down below. Let me know if you like the nails. Let me know if you like the hair and the whole fall look. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell so you get the notifications whenever I upload a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Instagram is @KimiraJules. Actually, most of my social media, Pinterest, Twitter, Snapchat are Kimira Jules. TikTok is @TheKimiraJules. But if you search Kimira Jules, you'll find me. So make sure you connect with me there. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.